Hey guys, today we bring you a delicious and tasty honey mustard. To get started, you will need half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of DIJON mustard, and for extra tanginess, 1 tablespoon of regular yellow mustard, and 3 tablespoons of honey because this wouldn't be honey mustard without any honey. Then you want to add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/8 teaspoon of paprika, then 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 teaspoon of salt. This next step, you're going to want to mix all your condiments together until you make a creamy sauce. Once you have everything mixed, you want to add 1/8 teaspoon of cracked black pepper. And there you have it guys, a delicious dip, dressing, and sauce that goes well with anything. Hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you in our next one.